Good evening, guys. This is a full tab unit of PTspeed machine. I'm going to replace a ceiling plate. This one. I'm gonna show you how to replace it with a ceiling plate here. You see this, guys? There's a lot of dirty here, and the other one also here. So I'm gonna change this both A and B. Okay, guys. So first of all, we need to retreat this top coil. Okay, set aside here, down here, also the other one. The other one is this one. Okay, and thread it here for safe, not to pull it down there. Okay, guys, now I need to remove this, pull out this one, these two units. So disconnect the lines on the thermocouple and the step motor. These two guys disconnected to this step motor, and for the heater and thermocouple. So disconnect like that. Oh, not that one. This one. This one for the counter jaw. So we need a tub feeder. Tub feeder ceiling plate B and tub feeder ceiling plate A. Alright. So how to pull out this tub feeder? You must lose these two bolts here. This bolt 13. We need a 13 spanner. And this one. On the other side also here, and this one. So I can do first top feeder A. This one. And to make sure the hose line also, the air lines, should be disconnected also. Guys, when disconnecting the air lines, the hose, we must put the marker like that. I put it 2, and here also 2 in the connector. So the other one is, other side is only one line, and put it 1 also. So when you put it back, not interchange. To remove the tub feeder station, we must also disconnect the optical cable here. So it's better to disconnect this in this side compared to the sensor itself, because it's hard to put it in. And we need to align again the upper one, the reflector optical sensor. So now I disconnect the two holes and the optical sensor, so we need to pull out now. So I pull it out now. Yes. Sorry. Still did not disconnect the electrical connection, the thermocouple and heater, also the step motor. Okay, I grab it out. and put it in, because I don't have a workbench. I work on the strip table. So how to replace a ceiling plate? We must lose this bolt. Also this bolt. But be careful that the thermocouple here maybe break. It's only slowly to pull out because the accumulated plastic already hard. So we need to little open this one to pull out the remaining thermocouple here. So now I remove the disconnected melting plastic so that the thermocouple is easy to pull out. See? This is the ceiling plate. This is the one we need to replace. Still hard. Alright guys, I pulled it out already. There's the old ceiling plate. Like that. But before we put the new one, it must be put some heatsink compound here. This one. This is the heatsink compound. We must put the heatsink compound here. It's easy to transfer the heat from heater to the ceiling plate. Sometimes because of alarming low temperature, because of the heating element is not transferring some heating in the ceiling plate. So that's why this is the new ceiling plate. Just to make sure that the old one and the new one is different angle and different part number. See guys, look like the same. The new one and the old one. So we put some heatsink compound here, like that. Alright guys, this is the heatsink compound. Scattered gradually, just to make sure that it's not coming from the it's going to the other side of the ceiling plate, and also here in the heater. Put some little amount only, not too much. And also the thermocouple. As you can see guys, in the ceiling plate there is a hole here. This is the one inserted to the thermocouple, like that. Looks like that. Insert inside. Yeah. Already inserted. And then set the screw here. The two bolts. The one we removed before. This one. So I put the new one and tight these two bolts properly. to secure that it's not falling down when production running. And after that, you must clean the surface of the ceiling plate. All the dust, the possible dirty, must remove. Some other people, technician, blow air. But I think this one no need, because only the problem is the ceiling jaw only. The ceiling plate, I mean. Okay, it's all done, and then I put it back in the, this is the top feeder A. Also, I clean this plate, guys, because it's too dirty. I clean also this one and this one, like that. I pull out this one and clean underneath. This plate is you cannot interchange because there is a hole in the pin. So these two holes inserted there, like that. So you cannot interchange to put it back in and secure with two bolts. And it should be in the center of the bolts, the groove of the plate. It should be in the center. There's the other one, guys. Before we put it back in, you must check the cutting of the coil if the sharp or good cutting, like that. Alright, it's good. So now this is the new one. Fix it in, put it back in now. And next is the station B, top B. This one. This is B. And this is A. To fountain check with a good cutting. The top coil insert it in. Check the clearance for this outer jaw and the ceiling jaw. It should be in maximum position. Also this one in maximum. And not touching too much, because there is a caution for that. This is the caution. This is the caution cylinder. So it looks like a spring. There is an air pressure for this one, it's more in the bar. So maybe now this is the base station, same as in tab A. Same procedure. So I'll show you only that this is the tab A. This plate is too dirty, so I need to pull out as well. the dirty is, too much dirty. And then clean both the one-way bearing and the drive roller. I need to check the cutting of the up this station. Like that. This is stub B. And cut. Oh, it's alright now. Oh, it's all done. So change the ceiling plate, B and A. It's all done.